Hi everyone, to the bone, this is Darcy, and today I'm gonna do a try-on and review of the February Boxycharm. So if you wanna see me trying these products, keep on watching. Boxycharm is a beauty box subscription in which you pay $20 and you get 5 full-size products. And I actually had the subscription for a very long time, like at least 2 years, and I've been loving everything I've got. It's getting better and better with a lot of more high-profile brands. And I decided to do this video for the first time to try it out and show you guys some of the stuff I've got, which is really cool. Before I get to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get to it. So when you get the box, you get a little pamphlet that tells you the prices of each product and also like how to use it and what it is. And the theme of this month is Galaxy Glow. The first thing I see is this is from CoverFX. Shimmery Veil is a pearlescent cream, perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want. The price of this is $28 and is a full-size product. That's what I love about Boxycharm, because you already paid off for the box because it's a $20 a month. So this is $28. So let's try it on. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like a lilac color. I don't have any makeup on my face, so I can try out the products. Let's try on the lids first. It's so pretty. I love purple. I think it's super pretty. Wow, what do you guys think? Let's see what else is on the box. Oh, this is a plumping lips exfoliator from Cosmetics. This 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil plumps, hydrates, and soothes. Let's try it on. You're supposed to do it to exfoliate your lips. It's great because my lips are very dry lately. I haven't been moisturizing or doing anything to them. I actually like it. It's very sweet and it feels like a lot like the lip scrub, the DIY lip scrub I have on my channel. I'll leave the link on the description box below if you want to try the DIY one. But this is great because it's super easy to apply, and especially if you're doing makeup, I like to do the scrub before I apply lipstick so that way you have a nice canvas. So I'm going to look at the rest of the box, leave this on my lips, and then take it off to see the results. But so far I really like it. This is awesome. And this is $17. So that's awesome. Oh, nice. I got some brushes, which I love getting brushes because, to be completely honest, I'm fairly new to makeup, and a lot of my brushes I've got from this subscription box or other subscription box that I used to subscribe. So I bought a few brushes in my life, but a lot of them I got in subscription boxes. So I love receiving them. So this is from Crown Brushes and is a 3-piece Pro Brush Trio. I think this one is probably for contouring. And this one is like a powder brush, but I'm sure it can be used as a blush as well. And this one, it says, can be for the under eye or the eye. So I really like it, guys. It's really pretty. And again, I love receiving brushes. It seems really soft. I had other brushes from Crown Brushes, actually from other boxes, like this one. I also got in one of the boxes. This is like my favorite brush for this area here, for like the crease. It's amazing. It's also from Crown Brushes and is a crease brush 430. So this one is one of my favorites. I brought it here just in case I had an eyeshadows because I didn't know what I was going to get in the box. So these definitely are amazing. So I'm excited, and the trio is worth $29. The other thing I got here is a Smoke Eye Pencil from Vintage Cosmetics and is $21. The creamy soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. Let's try, guys. It does glide pretty easy. I think it worked really well, to be quite honest. It's very black and it didn't tug for sure. I really like it. I probably will use it. Now the last item, because again, as I said, usually it's 5 full-size items, is from Naked Cosmetics. Is a holographic highlighter palette and is worth $39. Each iridescent shade is perfect for highlighting and layering to transforming any look into something enchanting. Reminds me a lot of the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting palette they had with the similar colors. Looks gorgeous. I'm gonna try using the purple one into the inner corner. I'm gonna try this little pink one here as a highlighter. It's very pretty. This is what it's looking like. Let me put a little bit of mascara to kind of like get the full effect. And I'm gonna try, this one is actually also from a previous box, and is a Tarteist mascara. When I do mascara, I always do eyelash curlers because my eyelashes are like this. So let me do this and I'll be right back. Wow, I actually like this mascara. It was from a previous box and I haven't tried it before. It's a Tarteist from Tarte. Now I'm gonna take off the lip scrub and put some lipstick on. So let me take it off. Yeah, it made my lips super soft. It's definitely approved. Let's try to put some lipstick on right now. I'm gonna try the Pretty Vulgar one that also came in a previous box. And this is called My Lips Are Sealed from Pretty Vulgar. I've never tried this brand before and actually haven't opened this one yet. I don't know if it matches with the look, but again, it's a try on, so I'm just trying as many spreaders as I can. So let's recap. This was an amazing box. I think the thing I liked the most was the CoverFX Shimmery Veil because I love purple and I think this was a pretty cool type of a shadow, and I really like this too because it's something different. I mean, I probably wouldn't use every day, but it's something fun. So I love my box. I think it's a great deal because you definitely get over $120 worth of amazing products for $20 a month. So I think from all the beauty boxes that are out there, you can't beat this one. The only thing that was not in the box is these two items that were from previous boxes that I also didn't try out before, so I wanted to try on camera to see. Just for fun, let's try to see how this looks on the lips because you can use this everywhere supposedly. So let's try it just for fun. Yeah, I think I went a little cray-cray on the purple with this look, but it's just fun to try it out and see. You definitely can try it out on your lips if you like, or on your face, and either way it's just fun to try it out. Makeup is fun, so there are really no rules to makeup, it's just have fun with it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to thumbs up so I make more videos like this one, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful time. Bye!